Hi, welcome to the presentation on how to negotiate salaries effectively. Salary negotiation is more of an art than a science. It usually is one of the most neglected and underrated aspects of a job search. Start taking a good look on your own salary requirement as well as developing on understanding of what your skills are worth in the employment market. Before we start negotiating on the salary, we need to do some homework, that is the research on the salary range. See what other people with our experience, skills and job duties are making. There is online information of the salary range available on the websites like salary.com or payscale.com, where one can get a basic idea of what the going rate is in the market. The second point that needs to be taken care is understand the dynamics of the particular negotiation. Sometimes it may happen that we have the skills or experience for which there is a great demand. We may be the only candidate qualified to have made it through the interview process, and the company is aggressively looking to hire us. So this is the right time where the bargaining position of the candidate is on a great strength. So, like lack of skill or experienced person available in the market, that clients give an employee to bargain on salary on a higher side. Now sometimes it happens that the experience or the demand for skilled and experienced person is available in the market. So at that point of time, the employer has the option of selecting the best talent from a group of talents. So here the salary negotiation for employee is on lesser side. The third point is recognize that employment negotiations are unique. Employment negotiation is not a one-shot deal, and it needs to be negotiated in such a way that it should not tarnish the image of a candidate. Same way, the negotiation is from both ends, as employer won't like to lose the right talent and want to keep happy too. During negotiation, the best part and the first and the foremost part to take care is never lie, but use the truth to your advantage. That means honesty is important during salary negotiation. You need to be truthful to what you are discussing about your current salary, because later on when the employer comes to know the truth, you may be caught and may lose all the credibility. The next point is focus on your goals, not on winning. Salary negotiation is not about winning. It is all about achieving your goal. Your future boss should not feel like he is a loser during this negotiation session, but make him feel and make him understand that this is what the market rate is going on and this is what I am expecting. And shake the hand before you leave, because you have to deal with him in your future career. Know when to quit bargaining. In every negotiation there comes a point. Employers need to treat you fairly, and keep you happy. But don't be greedy or don't be unreasonable in your approach, because it may cause the deal. Never forget that employment is an ongoing relationship. Salary negotiation is just a starting point for the career start. This is all about how to effectively negotiate the salary. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed the presentation.